Hello everybody, it was great to be here. We just assembled this house lamp, which actually is a great tool for in the house. Connecting to a solar panel here, you can even charge your cell phone here. And we put it together in, I would say, 5 minutes by some mini assembly inside this box. Some small electronics back from school actually. Super great experience. And this is very helpful, of course, if you are in a small house. And you also have the street light versions of this. I'm super proud to be part of assembling this little light.
Great!
Yung experience ko sa paggawa ng pipe lights is nag-enjoy talaga ako sa paggawa kasi kita nyo naman, marami ako. Habang ginagawa ko to, iniisip ko lang na kung ilang tao ilang pamilya yung kayang tulungan ito. Ang message ko sa inyo is sana ingatan nyo lahat ng ibibigay sa inyo ng mga ilaw. Sana makatulong ito sa pang-araw-araw.